friends, it's Teacher Nicole, and something wonderful has happened today. It's raining! As much as I love the sunshine, I love rain even more. So, I have two books for us today, short books that talk about rain. The first one is Singing in the Rain. I love this book. Alright. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Look, there's red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. That makes a rainbow. But the storm clouds chase everyone from this place. Come on with the rain. I have a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing, just singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. Look, there they go. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart, and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from this place. Come on with this rain. I've a smile on my face. I walk down the lane with a happy refrain, and I'm singing. Just singing in the rain. This book is actually written from a song. And you could hear that I was singing it in the beginning, and I can't help myself because it's one of my favorite songs. The second book I have is called Worm Weather. Sometimes when it's raining outside, we find worms up above ground, and that's because they can't breathe underground when there's so much water. Drip, drop, skip, hop, splish, splash, sidewalk dash. Worm, worm, wiggly squirm, worm weather. Look at all these worms. Coat, hat, rain goes splat. Do you think that cat wants to go outside? Probably not. Boots jump, old tree stump. Big stomp, puddle swamp. Oh, look at the frog. Ah. Mud stop, belly flop. Almost. Dark cloud, very loud. Sometimes there's thunder and lightning outside, and that could be really scary. But it's okay, because it's not going to get you as long as you stay safe inside. Bright flash, thunder crash. See, there it is. That's the lightning. So the lightning is what we see in the sky, and the thunder is the sound that it makes. Quick race, pizza place. Drip dry, pizza pie. Pizza is one of my favorite foods. Sun pops, drizzle stops. Not here. Birds fly, rainbow sky. So sometimes we see rainbows in the sky when it stops raining. I love rainbows. Rain, run, sing, playground swing. Wow, look at that wonderful playground. It almost looks like a pirate ship. Worm, worm, wiggle, squirm. Look at all these worms. It's worm weather. Well, friends, those are my 2 favorite rain books, and I'm glad I got to share them with you. So, remember, sunshine is great, but we need rain too. The plants need rain. The flowers need rain. Everything needs a little bit of rain every once in a while. All right, have a wonderful day. Keep your eye out for rainbows, and let me know if you see any. Bye, friends.